Okay, so for those of you working with a Windows-based computer, when you need to create the or insert the formulas and the mu symbol and all those bits and pieces, what you've got to do is you go to Insert right up here. Your colors on your screen might be slightly different, but it's the same thing. All right, then when you hit Insert, you're going to the right. You see how it's just says symbols here? If in some cases you have to do this, what you do is you make your screen a little bigger with the content. What happens is it gets a little bigger and you see the equation show up. All right, you want to just make your screen big enough so it shows up. So you saw before when it's slightly smaller, that equations option goes away, so you just might have to make your screen a little bigger to get the equation option to show up, and it's always under Insert. All right, so you just go up here to Insert, then you go to the equation option. It'll say type equation here once you just click it with your regular click. None of this special right click stuff. To get your mu or anything else, just it's the same exact steps as what I did on the Mac. So with this, we'd hit the script for your mu sub 1. We'd go down here, we'd take this box right here. Right in this first little box we got, we're going to find our mu symbol. So just use your arrows to go through until you find the mu. Then in this next box, you put in your 1. You want to put in a not equal to symbol, say. What you're going to do is you're going to go through until you see the not equal to sign. It's in there somewhere. Right about, there we go. Then if you want to do the mu2, mu3, a square root, you've got all the things you need in here. If you get out of the box to type something, it goes away. You want to get back into it, click into that box where you've got that text. It'll either automatically bring you back, or on top you got to find the design under equation tools. All right, and remember, you can do this.